confused between skin tags and skin warps. Let me take away the confusion for you. So skin tags are basically soft pedunculated outgrowths. They are usually benign and they happen either due to friction or due to certain hormonal imbalances in your body or weight gain or diabetes, and this is different from what is skin warp. Skin warp is usually a wart, which is a viral infection. Both of these can be handled in a very similar fashion. We just need to get rid of them either by using a cautery device or a laser or cryotherapy. All of these treatments are quick, safe and very effective. Skin tags can be left alone because they are not going to harm you in any way, but in many cases if they are long and outgrowing, then they can get entangled in your chains and certain areas and get twisted, infected and bleed. So if that's the concern, you get it removed, but otherwise it's not going to harm you. Whereas skin warps, which are basically skin warts, are viral infections. They can spread on your body. You can spread it to other people in your family and close ones. So that definitely should be removed under a dermatologist guidance. So people, when they come to us for these kind of concerns, they ask us for a cream to get rid of it. There is no cream, let me tell you, that can remove these warts or skin tags. Most of the time the thing that they want to use is an acid. It can damage the skin around the wart or the tag. So I do not recommend using an acid at home. These processes that I said is cryotherapy or laser or cautery are so precise and easy to do in the clinic that nothing to worry about. Many people also try removing it at home. So ऐसे भी cases आते हैं जहाँ घर में उन्होंने बाल से उसको तोड़ने की कोशिश की है या कुछ लहसुन से जलाने की कोशिश की है, and they ultimately come to us only after that because they have damaged the surrounding skin also, or they have infected the lesion to such an extent that then they need a medical advice. So it's best कि आपको जब तकलीफ है जो स्किन रिलेटेड, आप स्किन डॉक्टर के पास जाइए और इसको रिमूव करने के बहुत सिंपल आसान तरीके हैं जिसका कोई साइड इफेक्ट नहीं होता है. So it's best to get it removed under a dermatologist guidance. These methods are absolutely safe.